Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Volvo XC60 versus Porsche Cayenne. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Volvo XC60 typically starts around $47,000, offering a compelling value. In contrast, the Porsche Cayenne commands a higher entry point, often beginning near $80,000. Both vehicles deliver a premium experience, blending comfort with sophisticated features. When it comes to performance, the Volvo XC60 provides robust power, with its most potent powertrain delivering up to 455 horsepower. This ensures confident acceleration for daily driving and highway cruising. The Porsche Cayenne, however, is engineered for exhilarating performance, with some models boasting over 650 horsepower. It offers a more engaging and dynamic driving experience, prioritizing agility and speed on the road. Inside, the Volvo XC60 showcases a Scandinavian-inspired interior, emphasizing clean lines, high-quality materials, and intuitive technology. It creates a serene and comfortable cabin environment. The Porsche Cayenne, on the other hand, presents a more performance-oriented cockpit, with luxurious appointments and advanced infotainment systems. Both vehicles offer generous cargo capacity, making them practical choices for families and those needing versatile storage solutions for their adventures. Safety is a paramount consideration for both brands. Volvo is globally recognized for its pioneering safety features and robust crash protection, offering peace of mind. Porsche integrates advanced driver assistance systems with its high-performance design, ensuring both speed and security. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize Volvo's understated luxury and safety or Porsche's thrilling performance and prestige. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.